Now that you have a bit of an understanding of what data layer is, let's have a look at what sort of information a data layer actually collects. Now, even if you're a little bit confused about what the data layer is doing, this video should make it amply clear as to the type of information that most websites, or you could go into any website and be able to see what they're collecting. So for an example, if you go to the Iconic and click on Inspect, head over to Console, and then simply type in data layer and hit enter, you will be given a return in terms of information. So when I open this one up, I can see that various events are being passed on back to the analytics for the Iconic. So let's open a few of those. So this one here is number 2. That is a TI data TI. That was the data country. And as you can see, that the country has been set to Australia. So Iconic knows that I am coming. I've set my language and country to be AU. Look at the device. If I open it up, it says it's a desktop device, and obviously, it's sending that back to the analytics platform. Am I a registered user? Doesn't have the information yet, doesn't have the gender, doesn't have date of birth, null, newsletter, anything of that sort. But if I was to be logged in into Iconic with an existing account, then obviously that information would be available because Iconic would have matched me to their existing user login. Is the user being run any experiments? What sort of products the user is viewing? Are they adding anything to the cart? So you can see event data at there's a cart there, and then so on and so forth. So as you can see, you get a list of all the information that the Iconic is collecting straight away as soon as I land on this page. And as you continue to log in and browse around and add items to cart, the data layer will start triggering more and more events on this page. So there's a lot of information that you can collect and collect it accurately from the data layer and pass it back to your analytics so that you can view and analyze that information at a later point in time to be able to run experiments, to be able to run A/B tests, or just to generally use that information to improve the experience of your users.